Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh. And I'm going to be trying here Harry and David's Moose Munch premium popcorn, the anytime snack made with real butter and has almonds, cashews, milk, and soy. Moose Munch premium popcorn made only the finest ingredients, recipe to 160 batches to perfect. Each piece of popcorn is ideal shape to hold the ultimate amount of rich, buttery caramel. Silky smooth milk, white or dark chocolate adds decadence, and only premium candied nuts are added to the mix. Everything comes together to create this exceptionally sweet and savory delight in a variety of unique flavors. And my voice is dry, so I can't do my WC Fields correctly. Oh, yes. See for yourself why Moose Munch Premium Popcorn is a best-selling holiday favorite. Discover or even delicious seasonal treats at harryanddavid.com. I think they just went bankrupt, if I remember correctly, and Berkshire Hathaway hit all-time record high prices today. That was interesting. All right, here's the box. It's empty. Here's the front. Here's the back. This is a little 4.6 ounce bag. Let's see how this. I don't remember if I've ever had these or not. So, oh, that's good. It's got a different flavor, more like a butter toffee. Here's your chocolate covered. Mm. Very sweet, very tasty, very good. Oh, this is wonderful. I'm not into nuts except peanuts, but this is good stuff. Oh, by the way, I forgot. I haven't said this was $2.99. Comparable value $5. So I shouldn't be eating. I love popcorn in any variety almost, except for jalapeno or something, but this is good stuff. All right. Put the lid before I eat it all. Okay. Really sweet too. And crunchy. You can taste the mixture of the dark and the white chocolate, I think, too. I think that's in there. Good stuff. All right. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be at 7:37 p.m. Mostly stay dry and warm. And stay safe out there, and I'll catch you in a minute in another video. Bye-bye for now.